Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the rest. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Aneke. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Okay y'all, so I think one of my roommates just came back. Child, this getting to like understanding if your roommates is here or not thing is crazy, but getting it together, child. So anyways, so as you guys can see by today's video, we are doing calculating my net worth. Okay, see how rich your chick is, because that's what we need to do in today's video. So if you're interested, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel to join the family, and leave your 2 cents, which is your comments, because we love to see it, y'all. So let's get into what the video. Okay y'all, so I have zoomed y'all in so I can be all up in my business, because you know we love to share over here. So real cute. So this is my calculated my net worth for Q2. So this is April through June and this year. Ooh, my throat a little froggy. Ooh, girl, jump if you froggy then. I don't know what's up with me, but just go ahead with it. So I've separated my net worth into 3 different sections, which is my bank account, my investments, and my debts. And as you guys can see, boom, 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 boom. You know, all of the things that falls underneath them. So right, I am going to do a little calculation, all right. Ooh, but I do have one other thing that I had to put on here. Dang it, I forgot before I made all this, but let's go ahead with it. But I'll do that once I get down to the bottom where my debts are. So anyways, first things first, all right, the bank account. All right, let's see what the bank account got going on, because baby girl, she was froggy and she was jumping, ladies, even listen. Okay, anyways, so my checking account at the end of June, child, when I tell you she was a beast, all right, get into her. So my checking account, smile guys, smile, because my checking account was 5,000, come on now, I did say $5,154, y'all, and 96 cents. I don't know why the Lord was blessing me, but he was blessing me good. Okay, he was blessing me fire. And yeah, I had $5,154.96. Let me zoom in a little bit more, because I need y'all to be close up to see the blessings of the blessings. Okay, you get into it. So that was my checking account. Then my savings account, again, we don't know. Well, we do know. So my savings account, what was in there is actually my cash envelopes that I put into the bank, because like I said, I was coming to Korea and ain't nobody got time for all of that. So whatever money I had in my cash envelopes, I moved to this saving account, which was $2,118.94, and that was all of my cash envelopes except my 100 envelope saving challenge. So this was the money that was remaining from my cash envelopes, and yeah, it's cute now, it's cute. And so that would mean, since all of the money moved from my cash envelopes, that I had $0.00, child. Baby, we had never been that before. We was never that. We was never this, okay? But with movement and changes and all the things, it happens. So when we do our calculation for how much now we have, it's 5154.96, right, plus 2118.94. So for my bank accounts, right, which include my cash envelopes, aka whatever cash I had on me, for my bank accounts, I had a total of $7,273.92. So that is what I have in cash to do, to wiggle diggle, you know, anything that I wanted to do. That is the total amount that I have for my bank accounts. Now we're going to move down to the investment, child, because baby, one thing we do is we continue to invest. It don't matter what happens, we're going to continue to what? Invest. So retirement, she's a big deal. Okay, get into her if you haven't already, because what? She's a big deal. So my retirement, when I did some calculations, because y'all, let me tell you, I moved from America, and it seems like, you know, the two-step authentication, it goes to my American phone number, and guess who don't have their American phone number? Child, getting into my accounts. So I did an estimate of what I would have paid on my paid into my account, and then I did the previous amount. I add those together. So when I did the calculations, I didn't go too high because, little baby, I know I'm cute and I'm bumping, I'm jumping, but baby, we ain't doing all that. We ain't going, you know, overestimate ourselves. So what I estimated right now for my retirement account is 42,000. Yes, it was already up there, so I ain't going too far. 42,581.77. I'm obviously try to get this official number, but this is, I'm pretty sure I might be like a couple dollars off, but I'm not too far off. But yeah, $42,581.77, and that's, like I said, I was just adding on, you know, the estimate that I thought was going into there, because baby, yeah. And then a new one on the calculating my net worth is Fidelity, which Fidelity is another investment account for me. This is not my fun money, my play money. I work with it, you know, that's what this is. So I decided to go ahead and get me some, you know, get me some more, I know what I was saying. I was thinking about my retirement account when I was talking about Fidelity, but like I said, this is my play money, my fun money. And so I had a little coins in there. I have a little coins, you know, because I'm doing a little investment, little, you know, some on the side, some light. So for my Fidelity account, I have $1,384.20. So that is what is at the end of my Fidelity account. And bear in mind, all of these numbers are at the end of June. So yes, I wanted to calculate this, but all of these numbers are as of the end of June, so June 30th. So that's what your girl is working with. So come on, we're gonna do our calculations. So it is 42,581.77 plus $1,384.20. So we have a total of $43,965.97. Oh, so cute, so cute. Number is perfect. Okay, she's perfect the way she is. Child. Okay, now let's get into the debt portion. Child, baby Jesus, wherever you is, bless my heart. So y'all, hold your breath and hold it well, because yeah. So we are going to use our or what's it called, or monthly update, because we know the numbers, child, and this, ooh, child, this is the numbers that we're gonna put here. So baby, okay, so my credit card, ooh, child, I should be ashamed. This went up by a good amount. So my credit card, oh god, my credit card at the end of June went up to $8,138.98. I don't know who and Boo Boo the Fool was together, but apparently me and him was, because baby, what, we went up by over $1,000. Crazy. Then my car loan, she always getting paid, so she always going down, right? So my car loan at the end of June was $9,239 and what is that, 15 and 13 cents. So I went down on this because obviously I've been paying on the car consistently. So yeah, $9,239.13 is my car loan. Then the last thing is the mortgage. So my mortgage, right? My mortgage right now is $201,000. That's a crazy number to say, just out loud. It don't matter. That's a crazy number to say. $201,600 $293.09. That is, god damn, gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. Okay, let me stop saying the Lord's name in vain, but that is crazy number to say. That's crazy number. Anyways, $8,138.98 plus $9,239.13 plus 201, damn, 693.09. And my total debt that I have awaiting for me every single time that is associated with my Social Security is $219,000, damn, $71.20. That is my total debt that is associated with me. That is crazy work. Crazy work. Okay? Wow. So let's go through. We got, or maybe I want to do this in a different color pen. Let's do that. So let's go pretty. Let's go this little mauve looking color. So my bank account, like I said, was, can you guys see that? Yes, you can. It is $7,273.92. That is my bank accounts. My investments is $43,965.97. And then my debts is negative $219,071.20. So we are going to add all of these numbers together. So 7,273.93 plus 43,965.97 minus, right, 219,071. Ooh, 071. That's what I love about this calculator. We can just go back if we need to. 0.20. So now my official net worth, right? My official net worth, after everything is said and done, child, said and done, is $167,831.30 in the negatives. That is crazy. But it is what? Negative $167,831.30. That is crazy work. That is my current net worth. Now, the only thing I do want to put as an honorary mention, because one of my subscribers, or one of you guys in the last calculating my net worth video, was like, hey, you should do your what's the thing between your mortgage and your equity in your home. So what I did, right, was I went on Zillow and I saw how much my house was for according to Zillow, and so it was $220,500. That's how much they said. That is my estimate for it on Zillow, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do $220,500 minus my remaining balance of debt as of the end of June on my house. So minus 201,693.09. So according to Zillow and what I have remaining on my house, I have equity in my home of $18,806.91, right? That's what they say I have in my home as equity. So what we're going to do is we are going to subtract this $18,806.91 from this $167,000. Well, we're going to add it to this negative $167,831.30 because we are increasing how much we basically have in value with the home. So this is negative 167 831.30, and then we're gonna add, because it's a positive number that we have in equity on the home, this $18,806.91. And so if we're doing a calculation to include my equity on the home, the total that I have, the total of my net worth now is going to be $149,024.39. That is going to be my balance with equity, with home equity. So I'm going to put this down here as 149,024.39. So that is, like I said, and I'll put this in bracket just so I remember. So this is going to be includes home equity. And then up here I'm going to put 220,500, just so I remember what was the home equity amount that I used at the time that we did this calculation. But yeah, y'all, that is everything. That is how much I am currently worth. That is my net worth. That is the value and everything written down of where we at now in the second quarter of the year. So in and out June, we're basically wrapping up the second quarter with all of these things. So yeah, but yeah, y'all, this is everything. This is where your girl is at. You can go ahead and check where I was on the last calculating my net worth video for the first quarter. But we doing good, we're doing better. This mortgage is crazy work, but we're doing good, we're doing better, and so we appreciate it, we love it, we love to see it. So anyways, y'all, if y'all did enjoy this video, again, don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, child. Don't forget to hit up that comment section down below and tell me your 2 cents, what you think. Y'all, have you ever done your net worth calculations? Because baby, every time I do mine, I just be the realization of how much debt I'm in, and I'm like, okay girl, but you got this, you got this. So thank you guys so much for watching. Again, my name's Aneke, and I will see y'all in the next one. You feel me? Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.